Hi! In front of me is OPPO A79 and today I would like to show you how you can remove Google search bar from home screen. Firstly, you can simply hold your search bar and wait for Remove Widget option to show up. When it does, click on it and confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can also hold your device's screen. Then click on this remove icon at the top right corner of your search bar and confirm your choice in the same pop-up as before. Lastly, tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!